Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 19th of March 2026 and I'm just going to be doing today's breakdown. As you can see, there's technically nothing going on other than a big ass dump, and I did not post yesterday because of my whole recording. I thought I was recording. I did record the section, but there was no audio, so I couldn't post it, and I didn't know unless after we record it. So I'll just show you what happened yesterday. So yesterday there was technically no trade yesterday because I explained why gold dumped, which is we were trading below this previous week's low. We couldn't break past it and close, and we used it as a resistance. And if you look to the left of it, you see that there is a, is it left or right? I think I'll say left. If you look to your left of the screen, you see you see that there's a structure here and a structure here, which is acting also as a resistance zone. So this whole scenario, this whole scene was technically showing a sell, but this is London section, so I won't be trading. I was not here to upon this opportunity. If I was trading London, I definitely would have cut this move down. Then New York session came and I explained. I entered New York section around here, this candlestick, and I explained that if you break close below, I was expecting a retest on this previous month open for us to either trade down as a continuation or break above and use as a support. And it did exactly what I said, which is it came here, rejected from this previous month's open. And so I didn't take this trade because of two things. No, because of just one thing, in the sense that firstly, there's no structure to the left I can follow, in the sense that there's no structure here that's supporting this previous week, previous month open. So that's why I did not hop on this trade. But I said it yesterday um on my stream, sorry, on my recording, that this was going to happen, but unfortunately there was no audio to it. So this was how it actually played out. It did that, and you can see that it died completely, aggressively sold. So today again, as you can see, the reason for us selling here is it based of two things. Number one is this, which is this. We have a structure here. We opened the day here, but we still have a structure we've not taken out. So we're looking for it as a sell opportunity, which is what we got and sold for today. And you can see how and where we are. So today, I don't think there's going to be any trade today because there's no structure I could bank on. Everything is selling, yes. There's no structure on my 1 hour time frame I could bank on. All I'm just saying is 15 minutes sell to the downside, and technically I would not be engaging anything today unless I see a proper structure on the 1 hour time frame. Then I believe we might be crawling to this zone, which is the previous month's low, and let's see if we're going to get there or we're just going to close the week itself, because today is Thursday. If we're going to close the week around this zone, then maybe next week is going to try and dip into this previous month's low, then maybe we'll see a reversal. But currently gold is 4,000 right now, straight out 4,600 USD, and it came from all the way from 5,000 to 4,000. Are we going to take out this low? We don't know yet, so just react to what the market is providing us with, and information and data, things like that. For today's news, let me quickly check the news. Like I said, I'm not. I normally start my day with checking out the news first before entering the chat, but since I can clearly not see anything going on here, so that's why I started just talking about this, because I might not be able to take trades today based off what I'm saying. And like I said, I'm also doing a job, a remote job, so I'm working from home. So most of the times I'm currently normally busy. I just normally open this chat down, but I normally do not have time mostly to record what is going on. But if I do have time, I'll record and update on what I'm saying, so you guys can learn from it, or um, take whatever you want. My everything I post here is free. I don't charge anything. I just post for fun. I just want to keep track of myself or something. So this is what I can clearly see right now, and this is what's happening. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll be back again after like a couple of hours or minutes, depending on what I see. Or the end of London, sorry, the end of New York section. I'll quickly explain what happened, or what took place, or what pretty much recap everything that took place today. And I just I I see that we might search down more or just over around this area. Then Friday should either do the same thing or close the week around the zone. Then next week we either take out the slow and keep on going lower, or we reverse and start pulling up higher. Let's see what happens. All right. See you later. Welcome back, guys. So this is after New York section, and as you can see, like I said, pretty much nothing clearly really happened. And I said we were going to either drop off and start ranging, or just being stuck in a zone. We were so close to this previous month's low, we didn't actually get to it. So pretty huge drop all the way from this zone. I mean, this is a lot of money if you just sold. I knew I hopped in here around this time here, which is this or either one of these. And you can see even if I was to sell here, you can see market just quickly reversed back and might take you out. That's why I don't do things or take trades like this. You have to have a structure on your strategy and in your time frames. So I was actually waiting for a structure to form or something, but I know it's not possible for it to form a structure within New York section unless there's a previous structure for it to trade into and trade out of. So that's pretty much it for today. There's nothing much, just this huge London section drop all the way. Is it London or Asian? I think it's Asian, yeah. Asian drop from all the way from this place hit down to this place. I mean, this is a huge drop, huge drop. I say, if you're trading in London, maybe you made money along these levels, that's good for you. But me today, there's nothing to be made here. There's no money to be made. Nothing. Just observing the charts from throughout this week. Monday, Tuesday, we're ranging. Wednesday, we dumped. Thursday, we dumped. Let's see how Friday goes. Either Friday starts inclining back up to this zone, or maybe continue ranging before dropping or continue up. But I really don't know what's going to happen. So I'll just trade what the market presents and not predicting the market. That's just it. That's how I trade, man. So this is it for today, guys, and I hopefully I will do more content like this. Hope people subscribe and like this because I'll just be dropping source here every freaking week. Thank you very much.